Football is results, but the way we play, always I can say. So today I'm happier than Arsenal game when we won 1 point and here we draw. So always we spoke just last 2 days. So I don't want to see the team again like Arsenal game in the first half. So I want to see the team. It doesn't matter what happened. We play for us. We compete against us. Yeah, the opponent is there, but it's our performance for ourselves. The performance is to go after the game and say, okay, I did absolutely everything. We compete against top teams when the quality of Hazard, Diego Costa, Pedro, William is not an 11 players. That means a lot in that kind of team. So, but the way we play, I'm so satisfied. I'm a lucky guy to be here with them.